the perks of a wide-angle camera. So we have the sensors going here. This is the trim knob, is the red and black next to the camera. Everything is secured, sound deadened. There's a piece of foam up there you guys can probably see. It's like 3/8 of an inch. Then I just need to I need to go find my damn cable. I don't know where the heck I put it. So this cable needs to be adapted to the box, which is right here. So this will come up and over, actually, I'm sorry, under, and go right to that. Super short length, but it'll be very accurate. Then I got my new 47 pin that I just completed, which I'll probably tuck in and make this all look pretty by organizing how they're laying. But it's just kind of a proof of concept. First time having the gauge cluster back in oh shit, 6 years. So, and then the bottom here, you can see, I might not even need this. It's X16 ECU. It was like the timer and other shit for the turn signals and that kind of stuff. And you get the PMU, which is already wired in with direct to battery. So there's your motorsport grade 2 gauge, something like that. Then I've got the harness here for the speed controller box, and everything ends up tucking up just like factory. I've already mocked up, of course, the ventilation and the important stuff. And just because it's a pain in the ass, I'll do it anyways. The money shot is you guys are getting to see EGT, boost, tweeter, all the wiring's tucked, the pods are mounted, the wiring is tucked, all sound deadened all the way through. Now I have a little bit of a gap here, which I'm going to try to figure out what I can do to make that go away, but I might end up doing double-sided tape, making it a permanent install. So now I've got a few more screws to secure. Everything's wired up right here and here. We're all wired up for a 8-pin CAN bus that I just ordered up from Tuning Technology. Thank you, Claudio. Then I've got my, what these go to? Oh, this 3-pin right here goes to seatbelt warning light. The other goes to e-brake. Then I need to find a little piece of carpet because this was cut too far. So trim a piece of carpet, drop this in here, blend that in, make it look factory again. And then get to work populating the other end of this 47 pin this way. And that will go into the back of the radio unit. Now that will come back in, and then all this is going to split powers and grounds where it needs to go, and then integrate into the PMU. Yeah, so there it is. And I tested all the lights and such, so it should all work. It's going to get spicy. I'm really excited. Definitely coming to a closer conclusion. So, back to the interior.